Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites. Make sure your Realme P1 is updated and the carrier plan includes 5G because an old firmware or plan blocks bands. Next, insert a 5G-compatible SIM and enable mobile data. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Network and Internet to locate mobile network options. You do this now so you can change radio modes. If the phone has dual SIM, pick the active SIM first, which ensures the phone will search for 5G networks. You now enable 5G in detailed settings. Open Network and Internet, tap SIM and Network, then change preferred network type to 5G/4G/3G to allow automatic handoffs. This balances speed and stability. If the phone or carrier app offers a SIM toolkit toggle, use it to force 5G registration. For advanced users, access the testing menu to inspect NR band registration and, if required, select specific bands. Do this only when you know which bands your carrier uses, so you avoid losing. You finish by rebooting the phone to apply radio changes and then run a quick speed test. The 5G icon should appear when registered. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode briefly or remove and reinsert the SIM to force re-registration. Make sure your area actually has 5G signal, and if problems persist, check band compatibility. Carriers sometimes provision devices differently. Finally, contact your carrier to confirm provisioning or ask for a network refresh. That usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.